Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kizito, and what I do is I solve coding challenges that could be asked in a technical interview. So today, we are going to create a palindrome function using the programming language Python. What is a palindrome? Well, pretty much it tries to see if a string like ATTA will return true if that string was reversed. So if I reverse the string ATTA, it'll still be ATTA. So that's what the palindrome function should do. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is create a function, and we're going to call it pal. So if pal, and let's give it a parameter. We're just going to call it string. Don't forget to put a colon there. Let's enter. All right. So the first thing we need to do is to somehow make the string become a list. How do we do that? Well, all we need to do is create a variable called array or ARR for short for array, and use the helper method called list and put in string. All right, press enter to go to the next line. Next thing we need to do is create another variable. We're going to just call it x and assign it to a helper method called reverse. And inside the reverse helper method, we're going to put an array. So that way, the list of strings will be reversed. Okay, go to the next line. The next thing we need to do is assign another variable. We're going to call rev reverse, and make all the strings that were reversed in the list join back together to become one full string. Okay, there we go. Now the strings in the array will all become one, or all the elements in the list will become one. Let's go to the next line, and now we need to return a comparison operator. We're going to say string is equal to the reverse, or the reverse string. So that's pretty much what this return is saying, is string equal to the reverse string. If it is, then it would return true. If not, then it will return false. Okay, so it looks like this function is created and it's done. Let's go ahead and copy it. And then we're going to go into the terminal and type in Python. There we go. And let's go ahead and paste in the function we called pel. Just enter. Just enter again. Okay, now the function has been created inside of the IDE. Now let's go ahead and call out the function and give it a string inside the parameter. Let's call it, let's just use ATTA like I did above here in the comment. ATTA, and let's press enter. What's it saying? Let's see here. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Okay, I forgot. I need to put in the variable. for this to work. So let's go ahead and copy this function again, paste it inside of the IDE, press enter, and we are going to call out the function again and give it a string parameter called ATTA, and it should return true, I believe. There we go. Let's try it again. This time, let's make sure it's something that we know will not mean the same thing. Like, let's see, tree. There we go, false. That's it for today. Y'all have a good one.